Hello everyone, I am Ashish from University of New Brunswick. University of New Brunswick is the oldest English language university across all of Canada. It is constantly being ranked in top 10 comprehensive universities across all of Canada. We have two campuses in the province of New Brunswick, which lies towards the east coast of Canada and faces the Atlantic Ocean. Over the years, we have been glad to be associated with Canam as a student recruitment partner for UNB in the region, and I am confident of the services it has been providing to students for enrollment at UNB. If you want to know more about UNB, if you want to discuss about your Canadian education plans, please visit me at desk number 82 in multiple Canam fairs taking place from 10th to 24th of September. I look forward to meeting you all there. Thank you and take care.